Hello and welcome to WebRTC Training Chapter 3. Today we are going to talk about telephony, specifically about VoIP and SIP. This chapter and the next one has been compressed to reduce the length of the course, so you can expect the content and the labs to be shorter than average. Hello, my name is Alberto Gonzalez. I'm a software and sales engineer at WebRTC.ventures. If you have any doubts about the chapter or the labs, feel free to reach me out at alberto@webrtc.ventures, tweet me or Slack me. The main topics for this chapter will be what is VoIP, Session Initiation Protocol, SIP, Session Description Protocol, SDP, SIP important elements, and we will do a very basic lab just to introduce how to place a basic voice call using SIP from a soft phone. When you are ready, move to the next lesson.